Yeah, we've not used anything but the Mineral-Gro. To see them this size for 6 to 8 weeks, I think that they're a very nice potato. Most of your reds, you don't want them much bigger than this, because what they'll do is if they get to growing too fast, they'll form a hollow heart in there, and then the potato itself isn't as good. I think you get a lot more flavor out of them. We're pretty much organic here. We use no herbicides or pesticides or fertilizer here. And yeah, I think that it's fun to see this without a commercial line, because I used to grow commercial potatoes, the russets, and usually I'd never get these russets this large this time of year, and the smoothness of them is unbelievable. I mean, these are all going to become #1 potatoes. You still have till the middle of September before you start harvesting these, to the middle of October to finish them out. So yeah, I've never seen the results from the Mineral-Gro as well as in a commercial application. I think that it's as good, if not better, than any of your commercial applications of fertilizer. In fact, I'm pretty shocked. This is the first time I've just dug a head or two of them, and I'm pretty shocked with the results of them.